Hi, this is Mare with Cross Country BMW in Metuchen, New Jersey, and today we're going to take a look at our G310R and tell you why this is a great entry-level motorcycle. So one of the great things that makes this bike so newbie friendly, it is small stature, it's super lightweight, really easy to maneuver. We can lower the bike for people who are a little height challenged. You can buy accessory seats, higher or lower seats. It has a very predictable power band on it, and it also has a really great dash. It has some nice information that you would not find on an entry-level bike. Bike also comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, which is best in the industry, and that coupled with BMW's exclusive Ride Smart reward program makes this bike an excellent value. We have a really easy to read information display on this bike. You can see you have your gas gauge here, it's a nice visual. You also have your range till empty, that will come up. You have your speed and your RPMs and of course gear position indicator. The light you see here is your ABS light. ABS is standard on all these models and is a nice safety feature on the BMW line. This is our F900R. This is a new bike for BMW. It is a total revamp of our previous gen F800R. This new bike has some really nice features that are both newbie friendly and also if you're an experienced rider. The first thing that we're going to notice today is that this is a totally new, fresh design. BMW has made this a very appealing bike with a lot of technology packed into it and of course the quality and the safety features that BMW is known for. We have some cutting edge electronics on here. We have ABS Pro, traction control, and we have also a new dynamic engine braking. This will also make the bike very versatile because now we can tailor the ride experience to your skill level. One of the nicest features on this bike is going to be the dash. Our new TFT Screen has a ton of information available at your fingertips. You can go from something as simple as our core information, which is going to show you fuel, what your throttle response is, our rain mode, just your RPMs, and of course our gear position indicator, which is definitely more friendly for a new rider. You can change your modes easily by just toggling over. You have a few modes available, rain being the simplest one, the gentlest power delivery, all the way up to your user mode, which is going to be Dynamic Pro, and you can change different parameters with your ABS, your traction, and your engine braking functionality. If you wanted to see more information via the hand control here, you can toggle down and get some basic system information. You can also change the view of your dash to reflect different safety features, how much traction control intervention, how much ABS braking. You have a lean angle sensor. You can also make this more track oriented as well with lap timers. So the bike is really designed to be used in a novice way and also a more advanced rider.